kami sa JURA, ano ng coffee machine, saka may binta din itong coffee. Tapos galing kami dyan, we just came from there for a show and a ride. Yan, basta show. So, and JURA coffee. Guys, it's so nice here. And then after the show, you can go over here and buy coffee machines, and that's the price of the coffee machine.
Oh no!
So yan, those coffee machines. Very expensive, guys, but quality is a good quality of coffee. And if something happened, the good thing about this, when in your coffee machine, if there's something like a broken parts, you can bring it here, and they will fix it in the front of you. It's not like any other coffee machine brand that when it's broken, you can just throw it out. But this one here, the JURA brand, is when it's broken, you can bring it here, and they will fix it. See? And touch screen siya. You can choose coffee. Yeah. One of these days, I will buy one. Charot. I will buy one. Like a gift for ourselves, my husband and I. My husband, he loves coffee, and he loves coffee. And super ganda, very nice coffee machine. JURA guys, JURA. Yeah. Then, by the way, after you watch the show, and I think the show, it costs like almost 10 Swiss francs, or maybe 10 Swiss francs. I forgot, because my husband is the one who bought it. Who bought the ticket. Then, after you bought the ticket, and they will give you a good shine, like you can have a free coffee. See, it's so nice. This is a ice bucket, and I love this machine. Yeah, this machine. Coffee. Now,
Für 10 Anwendungen ist Strom schon Eis.
we can have a photo with this man. Then you can make a photo. Then here. Trophy. Wow. Trophy, guys. Very nice. Yan, dito. Then you can buy a coffee machine, or coffee beans. Honey, cool. What is this one? What is that one? Full control black and white. Honey.
One eternity later.
This is for the ice.
No.
This is for the meal.
But I'm looking for the ice bucket. Don't touch anything, love. Just look.
Oh no!
Yeah? Don't touch anything, please. Then you can buy the coffee beans. So guys, that's it for now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Carambas Vlog.